So you've dropped your key fob and you've broken the body. Let me show you how to fix it. So just a quick tip before we get started. So if you've just dropped this and this piece has broken and has fallen out of the key, if you put this into the ignition, it won't start just with this. You have to have this piece either in the body here or close to the ring of the ignition once you stick this in. So you can put it on this side of the key, that side of the key, but try to turn the whole thing together and the car will start. And everything that we use in this video will be in the description below. So what you want to do is go to Amazon and get one of these. They're right around 12 bucks and that's shipped right to your house. So now you just want to flip it over and take the screw out. And then just take this side and slide it upwards. Now all you need from your old key is the piece that's inside. Now once you have this, just give the button a push. And you'll see that that little red light there will come on. And that means that the battery is still good. If it's not, then we want to replace the battery. So just go to the back here and there's two screws and we want to take them out. And then this little cover pops off. And there's your battery right there. And it's a CR1616. And now just stick your screwdriver in and pop the battery out and give it a tug. It's got these little fingers in there that hold the battery in. Then once you have your new battery, just pop it in. Make sure positive is sticking upwards. And there's a little rubber gasket in here that may have stuck to the cover. It just goes back in and fits into the slot. And then this cover can go on either way. It doesn't matter which way, it fits the same. And just put your screws back in. And give it a quick test to make sure your light's on. And now just take your part and line it up with the holes. And put your cap on and it will go upwards a little bit and then slide downwards. And then just put your screw in. So now the last thing to do is just take your old key and the new key and bring it to the locksmith and have him recut it. After that, there's no reprogramming or anything to do. Just stick it in the ignition and away you go. Well, I hope this video has helped. If it did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time.